Welcome to today's PowerPoint tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to add animations to your slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. Animations help make presentations more engaging by adding movement to text, images, and other elements. Let's get started. Step-by-step instructions. Selecting an object to animate. To add an animation, start by selecting the text, image, or shape you want to animate on your slide. For example, you might want your slide title to appear with a fade effect. Choosing an animation effect. With the object selected, go to the Animations tab in the ribbon. Click on the Animation drop-down menu, and you'll see different options like Appear, Fade, Fly In, and more. Select an animation style that fits your presentation. Customizing animation settings. After applying an animation, you can customize it by adjusting its duration, delay, or direction. For example, you might set an image to fly in from the left by selecting Fly In, and then choosing from left in the Effect Options drop-down. Adding multiple animations. To make an object perform multiple animations, like fading in and then spinning, select the object, go to Animation, and apply each effect. Each animation will be added to the animation pane, which you can open from the Animations tab to view and manage all animations on the slide. Using the animation pane. The animation pane lets you control the order and timing of animations. Click Animation Pane in the Advanced Animation group to open it. Here, you can drag animations to rearrange them, adjust start times, and set each one to start on click, with previous or after previous. Previewing animations. To see how your animations look, click Preview in the Animations tab. PowerPoint will show a quick playback of all animations on the slide. You can make any adjustments if needed. Closing, and that's it. Now you know how to add and customize animations in PowerPoint to make your presentations more engaging. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any PowerPoint tips you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching.